Hi guys, today I'm doing a sound test between the JBL CLIP 4 and the JBL Tuner 2. And if you haven't already seen the sound test between the Go 3 and the Tuner 2, then check out the link below as well as at the end of this video. Now we know the JBL CLIP 4 has 5 watts of output power, as does the Tuner 2. So they both have the same output power. But is either of these any better, or does either one seem more powerful than the other? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's get into it. Now for me, the Tuner 2 has more detail and more power despite having the same output wattage. Let me know what you think below, guys. Okay, I'm going to change the mood a bit now to some smooth jazz and crank it up to 100%, so stay tuned. I've got to say guys, I love this Tuner 2. I think it has a nice, full, rich sound with quite a bit of bass for only 5 watts. Wow! Tell me what you think in the comments below, guys, and keep an eye out for the water test on that Tuner 2 coming soon.